Fuck yeah.
Morning, Knots.
Good morning.
Morning, Knots.
Good morning.
Berkshire's new CEO made a $15 million purchase. He bought $15 million worth of Berkshire.
He stated all his pay is going to shares, is what he said.
Interesting.
20 shares for $15 million of Berkshire. That's pretty crazy. That is pretty crazy.
I can't imagine the people that bought that a couple decades ago.
Yeah, when it was 50K and 20K.
Remember a couple years ago when that intern bought after hours at there wasn't any liquidity, so they ended up paying like extra hundreds of thousands of dollars for 2 shares of Berkshire.
Oh wow. Oh, that's one way to get fired.
That's one way to get screwed. Market opens here in 3 minutes.
Have a good day.
Yeah, look at the 24-hour chart on June 2024. It's ridiculous.
June of 2024.
Yeah. The close was 631,000. The high from after hours, he paid 741K.
Oh,
Which time frame?
Anything with extended hours.
well, good news is he was green recently, right?
Yeah, he did break even starting in February of last year.
Oh my god.
That is just repulsive. Just posted on my account ES Gamma stuff for today. Try to post that free every morning. I'll have some NQ stuff too later.
When do you guys think Berkshire A would hit a mil?
Maybe next bull cycle.
That would be pretty cool. I don't think that's ever happened before, except for like those reverse split scam stocks.
I didn't even know that this thing was like that.
I'll talk about it later. Market's about open. See what we got. Not a whole lot of pre-market movers, really. So,
Do we have any news today, Jordan?
no, we already had it. Jobs data came in lower than expected on unemployment.
Gotcha.
Slightly, like 213. The forecast was 215.
Good morning, Spaces crew.
Morning,
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Thirsty Thursday.
Morning, B. Ding, ding, ding. Market open.
Hey, good morning, guys. How we doing?
Good morning.
Ready for another great day.
We're just gonna pump.
Did sweep London low.
I feel like every morning we've pumped.
Dude, every market open has been annoying. That's like like yesterday I was literally like, oh, I'm gonna get this beautiful entry long to go to London high, and then the first candle it just like doesn't even. I had to wait for the candle to close, and that first candle just ripped all the way to target. I was like, okay, maybe I'm not playing that right now. Maybe not. Big Reaper.
I didn't have a spot to grab there.
Opening tick, negative 1100. Good day, good sign for a trend day. No choppy action.
Alright. Adam, good morning, sir.
Guten Morgen.
Oh, God. How's Hoodie?
This music is too
On the pop. Opening up 2.3% on Hood. Initial pop.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Seems like Italy's in now.
And the war?
Italia.
Thought we were talking about the World Cup there. Because Italy's out of the World Cup currently.
Goal. Big sticker.
Yeah. Big sticker is right. Big sticker with the blicker.
I have obtained the sticky with the blicky.
Ooh, ZETA.
Clean PSA.
ZETA's about to go over 19.
Hey, what?
You're gonna pull back over VWAP and give me a trigger.
Ooh,
Maybe something.
Netflix actually got over 100 there, really briefly.
Spread is wide, so just be mindful of that when you place your risk.
Yo, good morning, guys.
What a mix.
Goal from the 3-minute EMAs. Risk already covered 3/4 of it, but possible higher low sweep of previous day low 118.7. Also looking at a short near VWAP on NQ over the 80s ideally.
You said you're short gold?
Yeah, I'm short gold from 27.
Yeah.
Ooh, Tessie.
I'm going to give this a few minutes like usual. Just let it play out.
Having had any spot to try anything?
You had an oversold signal at 9:15, and then we had a really downside tick right out of the gate. So nice pop up here. Just watch 684.35 on the SPY. That could be a potential rejection spot on this pop.
Trail stop hit, break even gold.
Fuck yeah.
All right. Haven't clicked any buttons.
I believe we have some more Iranian drone attacks on UAE.
Who just shit themselves?
Always double that mic.
Oh boy, there. Flying on this first candle.
DraftKings just hit 26. Let's check SPX. SPX gap fill takes it to like 68, 70 area.
Microsoft pumping. IGV's pumping.
Amazon's almost 70 cents from 220 here.
Amazon's almost at 220.
Yep.
MNQ short bill breaker.
Oh my
VWAP.
god. Let's go Amazon.
Wait, what did you say? You were short, maybe, or long?
Yeah, I took it.
Okay, okay.
I just didn't pull the trigger at the area high.
Your level on spot for that short. Watch to see if they reject right here.
I don't know. You got POC and VWAP right here.
I'm just waiting.
Yeah, I don't have any sort of setup. Yeah. I get the short. I see it, but POC and VWAP down there.
I want this market to go higher. I just needed to pull back.
Yeah, like I wanted to come lower so I could long it.
Yeah. Yeah, any kind of pullback on SPY back near 683, I'm looking to go long.
Watch VWAP. Gold dumping here. 25-point gain. MNQ covered half.
Very nice.
All right, covering some here on the short.
Nice.
Here we go. 10 points, yes.
It's a VWAP break.
There we go.
Very nice.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Trail stop loss. Should be a free trade now.
Now I want to see if I flip this thing long.
I'm still gonna wait a bit. Zeta's over 19. Fuck yeah.
I think we're a point off my. Oh, there we go. I'm long now.
He's long and strong, baby.
Heavy. There's stop loss. That's okay.
Watch a 3-minute EMA pullback. I honestly, though, if we hold the golden zone, 84.5, that's a 61.8 fib to the downside. I want to see this upside golden zone. That's down to 45 there. Give me 50 points, baby. Come on.
All right, got 2 left on this short. I'm gonna move stop up in profit, and I want to see if ES can pull back down to the mid 40s and bounce. 15 points.
Scaled another quarter out here, 35 points.
Delicious.
Right into the 2-minute 9 there, and bounce over 25 points.
Oh, TTD just saw it's up 25% now. It was 10 after that news yesterday.
What are your thoughts on TTD after that?
Well, I'm not buying it here, that's for sure.
Mm-hmm.
Amazon did hit 220.
I'll grab the long again. At 81. I make it stop that again right here. Oh, okay, we're moving. Stop some profit. There we go. Beautiful. 20-point gain.
Trail stop hit, break even, MNQ.
Yeah, it looks like we're going poppy.
Taking out there 25 points. I'm flat again. A little bit of chippy chop around.
Short gold, 10-minute green.
Curious if we sweep 57s now at NQ. We couldn't get over anything in the high and we're chopping around POC and BWAP. Just gonna wait now. Kind of boring in options land, nothing really, no big exposure coming in.
Yeah.
It just feels like fake out breakout right here. If they give another 10-minute green, I might take another short on NQ. Or it might be too late.
This 57's getting taken out.
All right, 8-point gain gold, covered half.
Apple's getting smoked right now.
Man, I have my speaker off. Yeah, I'm definitely short Apple here. I like it down to 255 maybe.
Nice.
Amazon's strong.
Yeah, Amazon's like on a freaking heater right now.
Goog is also weak.
Microsoft is ripping. Google is dumping. What's Meta doing? Nothing.
Me? Nothing.
Palantir and Rocket Lab are green, but on dailies they look like exhaustion areas.
You got half tech ripping, the other half kind of selling.
What's IGV doing?
IGV's doing good.
Previous day low, or excuse me, today's low, 180.8. Previous day low is down to 180.
Ooh. I was just about to short Amazon and it just dropped 50 cents. Fluke.
I'm a short Amazon. What?
Yeah, just a 2 minute up there. It looked kind of weak.
Did Amazon fill that? Oh, it did. It filled the first gap, I think, to the penny. Close. 220.38, 220.47. Yeah, it filled the gap.
Netflix just lost itself.
Lose yourself.
Gold is disgustingly long gamma right now. That's heavy.
Google testing 300 here.
$5,100 is a gamma spot on GC.
Oof,
I'm in a
yeah.
little long right here.
Missed that Amazon short.
I've been sitting
Yeah.
long Tesla off the open.
2, 3, and 5 minute 21 EMA tap on NQ at the same time. I've bounced 50 bucks from there already. 60 bucks already. I didn't see that quick enough. I was looking at Amazon.
SPY options are kind of moving weird. I might be able to trim out some of these ESs here in a second.
The VIX is over 22.
Grab some down in the 40s. We're up a few points right here. Smacking the shit out of it. Let's see if we can pop back over this spot right here. Can start trimming out the futures. See if the options start going green afterwards. Here we go. There we go. All right.
Oh, what's up, Roman? I see you down there. I see your profile picture. How you doing?
New high day Tesla 406.
Tesla. QQQ looking a lot better.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, QQQ's better than SPY.
I don't want to jinx it, but I do want to see previous day high on Tesla.
Oh, man. I'm staying flat here.
All right, I'm gonna cover some of the futures here. 10 points on ES.
Nice.
Long. He's pushing back up to the highs. SPY's a little far from it. It needs to break that previous candle high, get to move back up closer to 684.35. I should be able to trim the options there. I think QQQ just made a new high.
Yeah. Yeah, it did by a couple points there. Well, NQ, but yes, QQQ too. Couple points and pulled right back in.
Out the rest of the ES. I don't like that rejection for SPY.
The rest of the ES. Damn, that Amazonian. Shit.
Yeah, I'm just gonna leave Apple on autopilot here for a little while.
Nice. Big candle, big indecision candle. First 10 minutes on NQ. There's half that wick. We're gonna sell it or keep going?
I'm gonna freaking long the shit out of MNQ. Give me a new high day, baby. Rip it. Push it. New high of day, 30 points, trim it.
Let's go.
Thank you. SPY is still hitting that same spot.
You're at value area high right here.
Come on. 10 more points. Go to the 50. Come on, go to 50. You can do it. Go to 50. Go to 50, baby.
45.
I know. I was gonna put my order there to trim out at 45.
All right, now go to 25,000. Fuck you. Fuck it. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. AMD over previous day high.
Holy schmoly. Amazonian.
10% on these AMDs.
Yeah.
Come on, SPY. Close above this spot right here and just go hit this level so I can just get my first trim on these options.
AMD's nice and strong. NVDA's at highs. Tesla's at highs.
What's Amcor doing? Amcor is red. Ooh.
Core. Core.
I got along the red. I don't know.
I took out the rest of my MNQs at entry.
44s could get swept on Amcor, so I don't really feel like risking that.
Come on. I'm about to do this freaking rip this thing back up. There's a candlestick on SPY if it can close above this spot.
Do need to see Tesla close above some pre-market order blocks if you want to stay long.
Wow, CRM is ripping up $10 here off the open. 5%.
ES can't clear POC and Q can't clear Valley Area High. Why is just dying?
Oh, CRM is going crazy nuts.
Yeah.
She busted.
Anything on that? Any news that I am missing here? Or just going?
I don't see anything recent. I mean, I think what's related? Okta that reported?
They did report, yeah. Okta's more cybersecurity though, right?
Yeah, it's not exactly there. Maybe it's IGV doing as a whole. IGV, IGV is up 2.7%.
Oh, yes. I forgot it's a big part of IGV, yes.
Go, baby, go. Send this. Come on. Send this. Close over top of this. Let's go. IWM, new high a day.
Adobe doing the same thing, 4.2% up.
Microsoft is a very big part of IGV too.
All right. Oh, candle closed above it with the signal. Come on. Give me instant gratification. Next 5-minute candle push. Come on. You know you want to. No choppy.
Well, there's your 50. 150.25.
Come on. Don't reject here. Just freaking break through it. Come on. 5-minute candle upside to get SPY at least to equal high or new high.
There goes Rivian. Bullish engulfing of the previous candle currently on a gap down. You a dummy to not be long Rivian until next week. You a dummy.
ES still not taking highs.
Come on. Come on. Push it. Push it. Go.
You can do it.
You can do it. Come on. Come on. There you go. A little bit higher. A little bit higher. A little bit higher. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. You gonna make me trim.
Yeah.
Let's go. Oh my god, these options suck balls, but futures are moving so much better. I should be trimming SPY right here, but my options are barely moving. We're about to make a new high a day. This is kind of bullshit. Here we go. All right, I'm trimming. First trim SPY. I have no choice. New high a day. There it is. Trust the process, my friends. Bam! Bang! Bang! Settle, baby. That's a long and a fucking half right there. There we go. Trust the process. Trust it. Yes. All right, stop at entry on the SPY. Tesla new ID.
Yep.
Fucking let's go. What an entry.
Very, very nice.
I'm waiting. Oh, there goes Apple. That 5-minute looked good at the bottom there, but it was a little tricky just in case.
I grabbed Micron tomorrow, 430s. I grabbed it at 73 cents.
Ooh.
Down a bit here.
You know, I was watching Micron a couple of days ago, and I should have grabbed it when we were at that 50. I mean, we weren't at it, but we were right above it. 50 SMA.
Down a bit here. See if you can hold this 2 minute. I don't even know what moving average that is. 2 minute 20.
Take out London high. Asians right after it.
There it is. Out half SPY. Boom.
Very nice.
There we go.
Nice.
Got my average to 68. I'm not going to add again.
It's Friday night.
What day of the week is it? It's Thursday.
Thursday, baby.
I for macro to give me a new high day, but we'll see what happens.
Spoo's just 3 or 4 points from staying back green. They closed the gap though. From close. We did that yesterday. Closed the gap by like a point and chopped for a few hours. That's what we just did. Yesterday's close, 68.69 SPX. High of day, 68.70 right now.
I'll stop out of these MUs if when we break below the POC, they mark at 58. That'll be messed up, but we're grooving here. But there we go. There's 5% gains. Woo!
Come on, come on.
Come on, what are we gonna do?
Wow, IWM just took an ass beating. Shit. I think I just missed a short.
I closed the at 71, super small game, but I don't like how small it is, and I have a 1 day, so I just closed it.
We just missed my short. Okay. Now we wait.
Watch my go make a new high now that I stopped out.
Microsoft may dip here. Individuals do not look that pretty as they did. If we get a bounce up on NQ, I'm going to look for a short at some point here.
I mean, Microsoft and Tesla both look pretty strong.
Yeah. I mean, other than that, Apple's weak. Amazon is now weaker. Google's down there. Meta's up there. Microsoft's up there. AMD is still kind of up there.
Down.
Oh, wow. NQ and NDX are only 20 points apart now. Was not like that yesterday.
If you shorted ES on the gap fill, you're now up over 20 points.
And I think QQ2 hit previous day high to the penny as well.
Wow, yeah, this is very reactive level.
All right, I think I'm gonna head out, get started on some stuff I have to do. I'm netting 30 points today. That is A-okay for me.
Sounds good, brother.
Yep, I'll catch you guys later. I'll be around tomorrow for the stream. Peace out.
Catch you later, boss man.
Later, Joe.
Rivian flagging here at highs. IGV is at highs. IGV's been on a tear after that bullish rally at the bottom around a week and a half ago. On a tear.
Can they keep this thing rolling?
Did tap that London high. Still have Asia that we haven't taken slightly above. Previous day high was already traded to last night.
There you go, Apple. That's what I needed to see, man. A rejection off the EMAs. Let's go lower. Sure would be nice if the indexes would pull back more, though. That would help.
Yeah. Yeah,
Gold is breaking down here.
What was NDX at the open? NDX at the open was 980. What was NDX yesterday? NDX estimate was 780.
Yeah, I'm not quite firing on all cylinders yet, but I'm glad I picked the right one today.
Hell yeah. Hell freaking yeah.
I always feel like Apple has the most consistent sell-offs after their little events and stuff.
They do.
Well, that was such a weird product release. It wasn't even like an event. It was like a press release.
Apple's got like a super gnarly Head and Shoulders on their bigger time frames too.
I think a little bit of risk, especially with software and more frontier tech, is shifting, which means out of Apple. Ooh, Soothballs are juiced right now, though. They want almost 250 for 50 points out the money.
Which one?
The 6,900 same days. They're just all quite expensive here.
Okay, Meta, Microsoft, AMD getting up there. I want to see how NQ reacts if we get a little bit higher and get near those highs.
Orb high and previous day high on Microsoft are right here at 411 and change. They've lined up together.
15 minutes, we'll have IB set too. Should take out the high.
I mean, we're trying, and you're seeing some individuals come back here too.
Previous day high smack. They do not want this freaking zone.
It's crazy, man. It's like we know how they trade, man. How many times do you see a reject directly off of it? It's crazy.
IWM still chilling.
Q's fighting to stay green here. I don't think they do it.
I mean, Microsoft isn't holding above that orb high previous day high level. I'll be bullish if it gets over though, considering how big it is.
Meta just got slammed. Ooh, what was that?
That's called a smack daddy.
Haven't heard of her yet. There was a drone. UAE is intercepting missiles as soon as that happened. So maybe that.
Whatever excuse they want to use is fine with me, brother.
So 25, 13, 24, IWM going to make lows. Microsoft weak. Meta weak. Everything looks weak right now. Much weaker.
Hopefully, Microsoft loans took profit. Maybe shorts entered off that.
Now hitting the VWAP. The WAP diddly. WAP diddly do.
If you shorted or took profit on Microsoft previous day high or high level, you're pretty happy right now.
Yeah, Tesla looks kind of funky here to me, man.
Is right you up. Yesterday, around the same time, I guess a little later, it tested VWAP after run into 407, similar area, and then before continuing up.
That's a gnarly 15-minute bottom weight there. Last candle on Tesla was very strange looking.
Doesn't they spy?
My lord, they're taking that thing down.
It's now 35 spoof points if you shorted the close. Whew. I can't imagine what that is in the net NQ.
Okay, I just opened an iron condor.
This is brutal on option one-way traders. It's fucking brutal. Like that move up and down. There's like, ugh.
Yeah.
I mean, futures, you can kill it, but you got to be quick. You have to watch closely. But this is like crazy. This is what it was doing last night.
So I sold 25,460 puts. I bought 25,004. Oh shit, I fucked up. I meant to say it the other way. I sold 24,000. Sold 24,460 puts. Bought 24,410 puts, and then I sold 25,420 calls and bought 25,470 calls. Now let's make some freaking money.
Gold retested orb low and rejected. Now back under previous day low.
We're about to go under low of day, or actually opening price there. What was I doing? What was I doing? What was I doing? What was I doing?
VIX new high day.
QQQ. Let's see. Seems like we're going right for those lows. So at some point, I'm going to be looking for longs. Just got to be patient. I really need to see a reversal before I do any of that. 25,000 on tap right here. 25 beans. And there it is, 25 beans. Okay. VIX at 23 now. Up $1.50 in the past 20 minutes. Apple weaker. Actually, Apple's kind of just sitting down there. Amazon is going to opening price. Google's at lows. Meta's at lows from the highs there. Microsoft's still dropping. AMD's halfway. NVIDIA's halfway. Let's see here. SPX 780.
Four points to not yesterday's close, but Tuesday's 68.16 SPX.
Ooh. Under pre-market lows, overnight lows right there. Yucky, yucky.
IWM new lows. Q's new lows. Got a zone down here. There's a beautiful freaking short area off that previous day high, but this is crazy. VIX is spiking. Got game by pounds. BK.
Yeah.
I'm still having an issue, but it's telling me that potentially it could be because of the user's TradingView subscription or the amount of historical data they can see. It says like a premium user can see 20,000 bars, while free user can only see up to 5,000. But someone also has premium, but their zones are still slightly different, and I can't fucking figure it out.
Have you told the URL I sent you yesterday? Have you told it that that's happening?
Yeah, and I redid the entire script last night, and then this morning come the same thing. Some people, it's funny because some people put the script on their chart, their SPY chart zones look different from mine, but the Qs looks the same as mine. And then there's some people where the Qs looks different, but the SPY looks the same as mine. So it's like, I'll fucking know.
Oh, fucking hell.
It's so weird.
Don't worry, guys. As the market drops, Rivian will hold it up.
Rivian, the
Just-
market leader.
Just got new highs. Fuck yeah.
I'm gonna tell it that they have trading view premium, so it shouldn't show different.
Well, make sure they know that there are different tiers, because some people are like, yeah, I pay for it, so I have premium. Not all. Sometimes there's what, plus, ultimate, yada yada yada.
Yeah, which one do I have? I don't even know which one I have, to be honest with you. It tells me I have a plan. It doesn't tell me which one it is. That's stupid. All right, we just hit the zone, bottom of the zone on SPY. Q's just hit the top of its zone. Watch for potential, maybe a little bouncy here before
Yeah, I think we go
Continue.
lower. Yeah.
drilling. Your tick is not really overextended though, but SPY just has a zone right here.
Yeah, this is the other one. This is yesterday's low on spot.
Two-factor authentication. Oh, there we go. Nice. Let's see. You have Essential, Plus, Premium, and Ultimate. I have Premium.
That's the correct plan, yeah. The best one.
Reversal on SPY? I wouldn't say this is reversal. I think you can potentially get a little small bounce scalp right here. I wouldn't say we're going to bounce right here and rip back up to high of day, but
Yeah, I think under yesterday's low is a whole new short.
Yeah, what happened? That was previous day low and previous week low tested right there that we wicked off of now on SPX.
yeah, you got previous week low on SPY at 680 and previous day low at 679.63.
Nice bounce. Nice freaking bounce.
NVDA came like 2 cents from testing orb low and then bounced through VWAP now.
All right.
There's
well,
the 2-minute 9. Fuck yeah!
nice little bounce on Q's, top of the zone SPY. Smaller bounce off the bottom of the zone.
My spreads like that. Well, Condor likes that. Nice freaking bounce.
Q's definitely better. IWM doesn't really care about bouncing.
Yeah, Ida's getting shellacked.
Taking
Taking a shellacking. Yeah, that is beat. NVIDIA, a very strong bounce. Hit a new low. Actually, no, it didn't. It was right above the lows. But got a very nice bounce there.
Amazon's in a similar setup but hasn't bounced. Just shy of or below here.
Look at Meta 2 got under. Actually, it was under the pre-market low, but probably bounces up $1 or $2 there from Meta. Let's see, Apple. Yeah, I think Apple's done. Like it wants to go up. Am I missing all my trades today? Oh, fuck. God damn.
I'm starting to pick it up a little bit off that zone now. How many points is that on freaking Q's for a scalp? I should have hit it. When it went underneath 950 down to 930. Oh my god. That's a 90-point freaking bounce from that spot. It's over 100 points from low to high. Holy shit. Damn, son. All right, there's your back test of your EMAs. It should be.
If we go up to the highs,
Dude, if we go back to the highs, that would be insane. I think
this that kind of market though. I mean, at these levels, run it all back. Like it's there. We're doing it.
There's the Meta $1.50 bounce right there. I'm actually missing everything today. Holy shit.
It might be a short right here. I mean, if you want to go short, back test on Qs, this is definitely the
Actually,
spot
Casey,
for
it can't be a short. Rivian just got a new high.
Well, that should help.
That should help.
I don't know. I'm kind
Hitting
of thinking about short scalping this thing real
3
quick.
minute and 5 minute 21 there.
Yeah.
I have a level at 25,070 where it basically tapped too.
Yeah. News on Apple? I don't think so. Let's see. Says the script processes 1,000 pivots, but only keeps the last 15 of the max zones. If user A chart starts just a few bars earlier than user B's due to data loading differences, might fill their 15 zoner with a slightly different set of historical pivot points.
You may want to tell it, don't optimize for efficiency, but prioritize long-term data.
Okay.
Here's your short, Casey. Boom.
Yes, sir.
Boom
Pivot points are
shakalaka.
working today. This price action right now, this is a lot. I think Frank mentioned a little bit ago, if you know the spots, this is good price action for futures. But if you're doing options right now, you're probably struggling a little bit more.
Mm-hmm. 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 Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's weird. Maybe I should go to college for computer science. ChatGPT. Dude, no, I don't fucking know. BK, I just opened up a spy on another screen of mine, added the indicator, and my zones are they're different. Script is the same. I'm on the same trading view plan. Settings are the same. I can't fucking.
It may be something in that logic in the data and how it's handling it that's doing.
Yeah.
Is it still running that variable function that said it could be the problem?
Yeah, no. It fixed that yesterday.
NVIDIA's at highs, by the way.
I uploaded the screenshot that you sent me. And then it took all of that and gave me a new script.
This might just be a Condor day. I might have gotten it right.
But I think I know what the issue is. I think I don't know how it could be an issue, but like it creates the script for me. I apply it to the chart, and then I go to the input settings, and I go mess with the inputs and the numbers to what I want them to be, which will give me the best results. And then I go into the code and I had to change those numbers.
Hold on, I got to call real quick. I'll be right back.
You're good.
He said, fuck you.
But there's no reason why that should. I don't know. Weird. I think that could be it too. I think the issue is also people closing down their trading view chart versus people that leave it up.
They're gonna bring little wiki right there. They just had a 20-point tick.
Wiki.
Yeah. Little ticky of the wiki. Well, NVIDIA's new highs. Apple is pooping or getting up there.
NVIDIA new high?
Fuck yeah. She's cooking red to green actually just now.
Damn, son.
Yeah, she said mama. Rivian's leading the market. I don't know what else actually, to be honest. Everything's just like in the middle.
SPY just hit the same spot. No, Q's just hit the same spot, sorry. SPY finally entered into the area. Watch them whip it off that spot on Q's again, too. Same freaking spot.
They could. Damn, I got nothing here. I did miss 3 trades already, though. So we'll make it up with the spread.
All right, let's go see maybe if this works. Let's just do 5,000 since that would be. Copy. Paste.
Okay. Ooh.
I know.
They're
This has
gonna,
been a fun day.
they might bring this all the way back up.
That's insane.
Actually, I guarantee they probably bring this all the way back up. Once they release it over VWAPity. over the WAP. Oh shit. I'm selling my March 16th calls here. They're in the money. I forgot I had those. I was
Let's
like,
go,
why do
baby.
I have a QQQ
It's always the
position?
best when that happens, huh?
I sold basically all of them the other day. I left one runner. Forgot I had. I was wondering why it shows I have a QQQ position. 610 calls for 316. I am selling here for 927.
All right, let's see. It's gonna give me a new code right now.
Over $400 contract. Nice.
It says the script now contains a universal consistency logic, so the charts will stay perfectly synced across all users and during live data sessions. It says.
Does it do that?
Let's go find out, ladies and gentlemen.
By the way, Tesla about to see new highs. AMD's getting up there, and NVIDIA's still ripping.
Yeah, I could have taken calls off that freaking bottom zone for more than just a scalp. That's crazy. Let's go see. Say script. Can I change all of them or just this one? Did it do anything? I feel like it didn't change. I mean, these ones are different. Let me see if it has me update. And it's kind of good if it doesn't. Oh, it says there's an update right here. Ooh. BK.
Did it do it?
There's an update and it's matching across those other two charts that were just different. I think we may have figured it out. Had to change a few of the settings. But it's looking good.
Still no cigar either way. Where are we at on NVIDIA? Where are we at on NVIDIA? NVIDIA. Oh, we're like nowhere. And then 610 for Qs. 610. Oh, that's where we just rejected.
Little stuck, yeah. Little bit. That'd be 11 o'clock.
Seeing a lot of headlines about Abu Dhabi explosions, heard yada yada.
Oh boy.
Wait, sorry. What'd you say, BK? I was in a trance.
There's headlines going around about Abu Dhabi explosions.
Okay. I was in a trance.
You're in condor mode.
I'm watching NVDA here. Watching the NVDA. I think that's the only thing I could get a trade on.
They took ID low. You think they take ID high too? I feel like if that's gonna happen, this is kind of one of those days where it looks like it could.
Oh, shit. No. No, no, no. No, no, no. Don't let that be the top. You get back up there, you bastard. Oh, no. Well, if I trade NVIDIA, this would be my first time trading one of these names with the new contracts. How long have they been up for?
Yeah. I
Just
haven't
about a
touched
month? Something like that. Yeah, I haven't done them either. This will be my first time.
Jeez, Nvidia's cooking here.
Coming into the 90 EMA and the daily there at 184.30. And then the 21 at 185. So I want to short it somewhere in that range. Because I know this will have to take a little dippy. Just waiting for that reversal setup. But I have some EMAs above to help me out here. Okay, I grabbed a starter on NVIDIA. Monday expiration, 182.5 puts.
That.
Watch the short right here.
Yeah, market's looking weaker. So I grabbed it there. And I will add if we go higher. So I'm perfectly fine with it. IWM weak, crawling all the way back down to go to lows.
Nvidia immune from all this.
Until it isn't. Shit.
Pretty extended on the tick again on the downside. Not quite negative 800, but we are near low day.
Fuck yeah. Come on, drop it.
Come on, baby. Come on, drop this bad boy.
Go, NVIDIA, go. Show me 183.11. We do a little trimmy. A little trimmy. Come on.
Come on. Bring her down. Peace up.
Eight
A-Town
down.
down.
Doo-doo, doo-doo.
Doo-doo, doo-doo. Come on, here we go, baby. Come on. Slap it. Slap-a-rooskies. Come on. You gonna make me trim. Come on. A little bit more. Here we go. Here we go. All right, covering futures. I'm going to take a trim on the options here, 275.
Okay, I trimmed some of my NVIDIA, up $20 a contract.
Fuck yeah, you did. You're so hot. Look at this.
Oh.
Oh my god, I'm annihilate this fucking market. Ah. All right, took another one off, 280. Stop at entry.
Fuck yeah.
That's back testing previous week low on SPY. Jose, 5 for 5. Let's fucking go. We're going to make money upside and downside.
Explosions heard in various parts of Tehran. I don't even think I'm saying that right. Tehran?
Something like that.
Some of them I just had too much Taco Bell last night.
Tehran.
Oh, yes. 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 Give me the loot. Come on, a little bit lower. Fill the next order. Just break underneath that order block right here. Just wick it down. Come on. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So if you want to see what a beautiful morning star looks like, look at your 940, 945, 950 that took SPY to high of day. You want to see what a beautiful evening star looks like? It's that previous 5-minute candle that I just went short on. 1050, 1055, and 11. 9 times out of 10, next candle continuation. Boom, there it is, filled. Bing bong.
We're approaching that previous week low and previous day low. We're in between the two right now, actually.
Oh my
we
god.
might get another reaction.
Yeah. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's fucking do the thing. I mean, technically, this is a nice move. Fill the order. Fill the order. Boom! There we go. Out majority.
Mama!
Gosh.
Next
Dang,
thing I
love
watch
trading.
is IWM for longs. Fuck yeah.
Gosh dang, I love fucking trading so much. Oh, yes. Give me new low of day. I took it to new highs. Now I want to take this thing to new lows. There it is. New low of day. Holy shit. I'm done. I'm done for the day. Fuck this. I'm good.
Camel out on video there.
Great job, man. What a rejection. That's crazy.
Appreciate it.
First negative 800 tick, triggering that tick arbitrage.
Yeah, IWM significantly weaker.
I'm watching IWs for longs. Not
Yeah.
now, but I am watching it for longs.
We can continue to sell right here. I have no position. I closed everything. I'm done.
Yeah, I closed my NVIDIAs there. It hit my 183 target. And it's trying to bounce. Already up 20 cents.
I'm actually surprised.
The Pope premiums really got a spike on NDX there. Big spiky waggy.
Hey. Starting to come off the tick extension here.
I wonder if the indicator printed. It didn't print the reversal over here. I think it does.
That's a bounce and a half.
Why do you think I closed, Daddy?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Self signals there is at 55.
Tesla big candle on, and the bottom of this one's right on VWAP too.
Gosh, dang.
And positive tick. There you go.
Yep.
Look at that wick. If you got futures,
Well,
we
you know what they
talked
call
about
this? They call this iron condor. That's what they call this.
There's a lot of ways to make money on this type of price action.
Hell yeah. Oh man, my brother's getting killed, Casey.
I keep seeing notifications pop up across my phone, so I know it was bad.
I just showed one of them was a win by 40%. That's like impossible.
Yeah, majority. I mean, he always goes back and he keeps on saying like that. This one was closed a while ago. No idea why that thing just got sent to the channel. And another reason why I'm still not actively using it right now, anyways. But yeah, when I keep seeing the notifications over there, I'm like, dude's in a fucking hole right now. He's got to be.
Dude's in a fucking hole right now.
Dude's got to be in the hole right now. Shit bricks.
Dude's in a hole. Well, that bounce just got sucked right back up. It is no longer a bounce.
Well, this is where if I see less selling pressure in the tick after an extended one there, that's actually the intraday bounce I tend to buy.
Ooh, let me know.
Personally.
Let me know if it comes in.
I mean, it's kind of happening now. I usually like to see them a couple minutes apart, so they're a little too close together. But I'll probably give it till another 3 to 5 minutes.
They might test new lows here. New giggity lows. Giggity. Hell freaking yeah. Ooh. Yuck.
I already took IB, but Can I take the low?
Oh, they coming.
Spooce hit it.
Just took the low.
The tick isn't making a new low, so it's starting to get a little divergence there.
Coming for the lows.
Okay. That was the setup right there, not my tick based
So you're looking,
index.
you're looking for longs at some point here.
Yep. Firing for record 6808 SPX.
Could be putting up a little reversal candle here in the 2. I'm gonna swap through the time frames in a minute here.
Is BK there?
I'm here.
BK, guess what?
Chicken butt. What?
I think I fixed it. We're good. Also, I'm not sure if this is something that do you be interested in. I thought it was a pretty cool idea because a lot of traders don't have a lot of monitors to look at. A lot of them are either just on a laptop or cell phone, but we always talk about like vol D, vol DQ, your ADD, right? Your tick, Q, and VIX. I created a small little dashboard that shows all of those on the bottom right-hand corner of my main chart. So I don't ever have to go look at those things on a whole separate window or tab.
There you go.
So it shows the metric, shows vol D, vol DQ, ADD, tick Q, and VIX, and then the value right next to it.
Yeah, that's the cool thing about coins. You could just like add whatever to anything.
Yup.
Did you get it, BK?
Yeah, I may have already been long in equity, so
Okay.
I didn't take it, but
Okay.
I'm already my.
He's already long.
Yeah, and I'm doing okay. I haven't gone negative on it, so.
I am watching, but hey, there you go. There you freaking go. 60 points.
6 points bounce on SPX so far.
Yeah, and 60 on NQ right there.
There's I can't make promises, but that does often end up being low of day, that tick divergence.
If it is, we took calls earlier and sold top. Then me and Knots just went short and just made new lows. Be a hell of a freaking day.
And I didn't take anything long yet.
I don't think QQQ made the new low. I think only SPY
No,
did.
Q was a little bit higher by
Nice.
like 15 points. I'm looking at.
Nice.
VIX got a higher high on VIX. Yeah, I got a higher high there by like 10 points.
Let me see what we got. I also added from, I know Will's not up here, but we talked about it yesterday on Spaces for the RSI indicator that I created an extra feature for showing hidden divergence in the price action as well. I was able to throw that in there along with a trend ribbon that you can throw in for EMAs. And then the net premium that I always talk about whenever I'm looking at SPY, like your net drift and your net flow, I was actually able to create a sub-chart indicator that tracks that as well. Just kind of neat. This morning it was all calls out of the gate, and then they started to decrease at 11:05. It flipped bearish between 10:20 and 10:25 and has been increasing in the puts even on that back test for SPY. So it was another reason, a little confluence there for the back test to go short, along with the evening star, the sell signal, back test rejection, just a lot of things right there. Essentially what I'm trying to do utilizing this Lux Algo Quant, I mean, this thing's freaking amazing. Essentially trying to create indicators that you would have to have a bunch of separate tabs and charts and windows pulled up to see all of that data. You can now get access to all of those things directly on your main chart. That's kind of the goal that I'm going for by creating these things. Just makes it more user friendly for the people that are only trading on one screen, laptop, a phone. They can't look at, 6 different monitors and windows like some of us can at our desk.
Good.
And dude, we're fucking cooking.
Cooking with gas.
Cooking. Woo.
Flash Rivian over 1540 in the next, either tomorrow or Monday. We should get a nice pop going into that March 12th. 1607 is a gap. They have $16 calls too. All right, guys, I have to get off here. I have to go to a doctor's appointment. I'll be in chat, and I'll be on the X call for the next 20 minutes before that doctor. So I'll be in chat. If I do any trades, I'll let you guys know.